My name is Masood Mahmood, and I am a senior product developer in this company, Terminus. We are the robotics. We develop different kind of robots, and we are the premium expo partners for robotics deployment. And we have deployed close to 162 robots in Expo, which is never heard of. Nobody has done it before. But in Expo, if you go and you'll see robots like patrolling robots, delivery robots, you'll see mascot robots dancing around, entertaining the kids. All have been developed by us. And we are a company based out of Beijing, China. That's our headquarters. And we develop our own hardware, our own software. Everything that you see in our robots is proprietary to us. And this is our first show in GITEX, Dubai. And our biggest, basically after Expo, we want to basically go in Dubai and basically deploy our technologies over here. So we have different 7 to 8 different kind of robots to every need. We have a patrolling robot for patrolling. We have a sanitizer robot for sanitizing. We have a delivery robot that can actually do the food deliveries for you. We have different kind of vending robots, which is like in a restaurant, instead of waiter, a robot can go and deliver food to you. Plus, we also have an attendant robot, which is basically to act as an assistant and a tour guide. So all of our robots are powered through artificial intelligence, facial recognition, and they're intelligent enough to go autonomously all over. You just deploy them. After that, nobody has to basically take care of them. All you have to do is make sure they are charging correctly, they're going out, they do their duties, come back, and then our robots have the capacity to work for 10 to 12 hours in a day, and then charge for 2 hours and go back again for 2 hours. So we have had a very successful expo opening with us as a premium partner. Again, I say 162 robots going around. We have a very good collaboration with Talabat, which is to deliver food autonomously, which is the first in the region. No one has ever done a food delivery through Talabat, through any food platform, which is exclusive to us. And that's our company, and we are growing forward and looking forward to basically getting more customers in Dubai. And this is our first, as I say, this is our first show for the robots in Dubai. And there are a lot of companies that you'll see for robotics, but the good thing and the exclusiveness about our company is we don't do any kind of third-party thing. It's the hardware, software, everything is in-house for us. Dubai is something that everybody wants to come to Dubai to basically display their platform or to display any technology, because they adopt the technology very well. So I think the biggest challenge we can predict is because there are not a lot of robotics company in Dubai. So right now it's not easy for us to penetrate the market. But the thing is, it's after the success of Expo, we are getting a lot of attractions to a robot. They are the biggest attraction in Expo, and after that, they are something that people have seen them. It's not just like a proof of concept. They are like actual robots working around. So we hope that we will be very soon, we'll be seen around Dubai a lot. We are doing collaboration with lots of companies and lots of government entities over here. So hopefully soon you'll see a lot of Terminus robotics around this city.
Do you believe that society is ready for robots, not people who are delivering?
Yes, I think there are, and you'll be surprised the feedback we got from Expo in terms of robots. They're according to them, this is one of the biggest attraction they have over there. The Expo, 190 countries participating there, lots of things, but this is technology that we have deployed over there. It's one of the biggest attractions over there. We have deployed, they gave us a 2D drawing for a mascot robot. We converted it into an original robot just for Expo. So we have the capability to do that, and that's why people are talking to us to basically automize and implement robotics in their industry.
How soon do you believe to capture the market?
It's fairly a new market, but the good thing is people are adopting to it, and people are talking to us. They want to basically digitalize. They're moving towards digitalize, especially after COVID, where you need basically where the workforce and everything, a human can basically be contagious, but a robot cannot be. So it's a good opportunity for us, and we are capturing the market. And we hope so in the next 2-3 years we'll have you'll see a lot of robots around the city.
Okay, thank you very much.